Welcome back to the name response module. In today's video, we'll focus on how to increase the complexity of name recognition exercises. This step is important to help your child generalize their responses to name calls across different environments. Once your child consistently responds to their name in close proximity, it's important to gradually increase the complexity by calling from different locations.
Yuvan! 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 High five!
Next, call your child's name from a nearby room. This encourages your child to follow the sound and respond even when they can't see you directly.
Yuvan! 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 Arre!
As your child becomes more confident, you can increase the distance and vary the angles. Try calling from further away or even from a different part of the house and see how your child responds.
Yuvan! Yuvan!
Challenge your child further by calling their name from a place where they can't see you, like another room or behind a piece of furniture. This helps them understand that they should respond to their name even when the person calling is in their line of sight.
Yuvan! 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 High five!
Try practicing name recognition in various environments like the backyard, park, or even during play dates. This helps your child generalize their response to names. Calls in different settings. Always offer positive reinforcement when your child responds correctly. Praise, smiles, and high fives go a long way in encouraging their progress. By gradually increasing the complexity of name recognition exercises, you help your child build confidence in responding to their name in a variety of environments. Keep practicing and remember to celebrate each success along the way.